All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to create Dropbox assignments as well as rubrics in Google Classroom. So the first step is I'm going to go over to the Classwork tab. I will click this blue Create and Assignment. I'm going to call this the week for Dropbox. And I'm going to keep it out of 100 because I want it to go in the grade book. If I needed to add or attach other files, I could do so by clicking these buttons over here. I want to make sure it's in the week for materials section, and if I wanted to add a due date, I could add that as well, but I'll leave it empty for now. Then I would like to add a rubric to this, so I will click this plus rubric button, which will bring up three different options. I can create one, reuse a rubric, or import one from Sheets. I want to create a rubric. Now I can give this rubric a couple different criterions. So I'm going to say this is your creativity score, and I want it out of 3 levels. So I already have, oops, sorry, spelling error. There we go. I already have the one there. I want to give 3 levels. So this is 1 point, this is 2 points, the next one will be 3. So this one will say below expectation, at expectation, and above expectation. Then if I wanted to add another category, let's say I want to do something other than creativity. So I want to say vocabulary. And I want 3 levels of that as well. So 1, did not use vocab, used some vocab, make that one 2 points, and then used a lot of vocab, and that's going to be 3 points. Then, since it's descending, it sorts it that way for me automatically. Then, since my rubric's all good, this is out of 6 points, since there were, those categories there, I'm going to click Save. Then, I will click, change this point value actually to match it. We'll go 6, to match the rubric. Then I will click Assign, and I will be able to see my week 4 Dropbox down here. And if I want to view it as a student, this is what it would look like, and I'm able to click that rubric and it will show me exactly what I'm being scored on there.